factor in body-centered cubic lattice. The second factor is number of atom per unit cell. So it is a simple picture of body-centered cubic lattice. Again it is body-centered cubic lattice, but the corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. The part present in 1 unit cell is 1 by 8th atom in 1 unit cell, and 1 atom present at the center in body centered. Now for calculating number of atom per unit cell is equal to 1 by 8 part of each atom into 8 corner atoms present on the 8 corners. So 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 atom at center. So 8 get cancelled. We get n is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 atom per unit cell in body centered cubic cell. So n is equal to 2 value, that consider equation 1. So the number of atom in body centered unit cell is 2. Now the second factor, the relation between the atomic radius r and the length of cube is a. For understanding this, we understand this picture thoroughly. In the body center, the corner atoms do not touch each other, but each corner atom touches body centered atom along the body diagonally. Diagonally means the cut of sandwich piece. So by this view, we have to understand the relation between r and length of cube is a in body centered cubic lattice by using a two triangle. In this picture, you just see we draw at center a full body centered particle or atom along two corner atoms that touches to the body center as body diagonal. We get a two triangle in this unit cell. Number 1 ABC and number 2 is ACD. You see that the length of edge of cube is indicated by A for AB, AD and AC, and for the body diagonal, for one corner atom the radius r, the central atom having radius 2r, and the last corner atom again having atomic radius r. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, we solve this relation. So in triangle ACD, you focus on this triangle. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AC square is equal to AD is nothing but length of edge of cube A. Again CD is a length of edge of cube. Therefore AD put the value A square, CD put the value A square. We get AC square is equal to 2A square. For removing square, we solve this equation. AC is equal to under root 2 into A. Now focus on the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Again using Pythagoras theorem, the BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. I will repeat, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So BC square is equal to AB, again is a length of edge of cube, therefore A square, plus AC we know from the above, it's under root 2 into A square. But we know that BC is nothing but R plus 2R plus R is 4R. So we get 4R square into 3A square. Solve this equation. A square is equal to 4R square divided by 3. Removing the square, we get A is equal to 4R under root 3. We consider this equation 2. The relation between R and A in BCC is A is equal to 4R under root 3. Number 3, factor or step, volume occupied by atom in unit cell. Simple equation, volume of atoms per unit cell, N is equal to V. Volume of atom per unit cell. So the N is 2 for BCC, and the known value or calculated value, that is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. The calculate the last part, that is atomic vacuum factor. It is the ratio of volume occupied by atom in unit cell with volume of unit cell. In simple, atomic vacuum factor is equal to small v divided by capital V. But we know that atomic vacuum factor, put the value of V, small v, that is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube whole divided a cube, as volume of cube or unit cell is a cube. But we know a is equal to 4r under root 3. Put the value in above equation, we get atomic vacuum factor is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube whole divided 4r under root 3 cube. Solve this equation. Likewise, atomic packing factor is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided 64 r cube divided 3 under root 3. Now again solve this equation. Atomic packing factor is equal to 2 into 4 pi r cube into 3 under root 3 whole divided 3 into 64 r cube. Solve this equation. 2 into 4 8. 8 64 divided by 8 is 8. R cube get cancelled. Now we get a simple 3 3 again get cancelled. We get a simple under root 3 pi divided by 8 value. Put the value of under root 3 pi and solve this equation. So under root 3 value is 1.7320 into 3.14 divided by 8. Solve this equation. The multiplication value is 5.439 divided by 8. So you get 0.6798 is equal to 0.68. So the atomic packing factor is equal to 0.668 or 68%. So the conclusion part, the atomic packing factor for body centered cubic cell is 0.68 or 68%, and the unoccupied space, that is voids, present in body centered cubic cell is equal to 100 minus 68 is equal to 32%. So in the total